In this video, we'll be installing the passenger side inner fender liner in this 2007 Mazda CX-9. We're going to start up front with our three 8mm bolts. You can use a Phillips for these. We're just going to use the 8mm. And we have two panel clips. We're going to use a panel tool to pop these clips out. And we have one more clip in the back here by our fender, our wheel opening. Now this is going to be the last clip holding this panel in place. So just support that panel so it doesn't fall. And then we can remove by angling this panel down and sliding it out. To install your passenger side fender liner, we're going to find the back side here, which is closest to the wheel. We're going to put it up on top of this fender liner tab and just swing that panel up into position. First thing we're going to do is install one of our 8mm bolts right in the center. We're going to come back and snug that down. That allows us to let go of that panel. We can then put our other two bolts in place. And from here we have our two panel clips left. We're going to do the inside one here, holding it to our fender liner. And then if we come straight across over here towards the center of the vehicle, we have one more. And that's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.